Hello everyone, my name is Amit and today we are going to study what are variables in Python. Variables are basically a named container used to store data in a program. You can think of it as a label attached to a box where you keep data that your program can use later. Also, variable is a name that refers to a value in the memory. Instead of using the value directly everywhere, you can give it a meaningful name. Example, a equal to 10. So a is a variable having a value of 10. So basically we have to assign a value by giving the equal to symbol. So why do we use variable? Basically variables are used to store data. So instead of typing Mumbai repeatedly, we can use the variable city. Second use can be to reuse data. For example, if I try to print city once, that's fine. We can give city or we can give the value directly. So if we want to print it again, like welcome to city, we can give city instead of Mumbai. So it directly prints welcome to Mumbai. The third use can be to make programs dynamic. For example, I am creating a variable called name and I am asking for input from the user, just like enter your name. So when the user gives his name, that name will be stored in the variable name, and we can give the and after this we can give the various operations on this like print. So here it is asking for the name. I am giving my name Amit, and I can see the input hello Amit. The fourth usage can be to perform calculation. I can give num1 equal to 10, num2 to 20. After this I will create a variable sum equal to num1 plus num2. So here I have created this variable sum, and I have given the calculation of num1 plus num2. Okay, now I will give the function of print. So here we got the response 30. So thank you.